Welcome back. This is our train expert channel. We're in Oil City, PA. Got a Western New York coming. Let's check it out. We're over between the tanker. We're over by their former freight yard and the tankers. Where the tankers go. Here they come right now.
We'll wait here to see if they pick up that.
We're gonna wait here, see if they picked up any tankers. If not, this is a grain train. There's a UPS truck right there. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, we got a truck in the blockway. Oh.
I can't tell if I think they're slowing down or not.
Well, there's the end of the grain train. Let's see the engines here. See where they're going.
Well, you think the conductor would be at the end?
The conductor's not at the end, so I don't think they're not stopping.
Yep, maybe there.
Yeah, yep, there's the stop. Yep, I know there's a stop coming. There you go. No, it was stopped and now it's kept going.
Maybe they needed to do the switch.
Yeah. Nope, they're not stopping. There's the end. Yep, there's the end. I don't.
Oh, they stopped.
No, yeah, there's a stop again.
Maybe.
I had it zoned and that's all far enough. Nope, they're off. Nope, they're gone.
Tricked us.
Yep, they're gone right now. So that's gonna be, since of that, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.